a massive 1,000-year-old stone temple discovered near Lake Titicaca, Bolivia, likely built by the Tiwanaku civilization, featuring 12 rooms, a huge courtroom, and an intricate irrigation system. High in the Andes, hidden by clouds and centuries of silence, the colossal temple has emerged. 15 rooms, a grand courtyard, and mysteries etched in stone, only now discovered by drones. What did the lost temple built by the Tiwanaku civilization hide for millennia? In early June 2025, archaeologists in western Bolivia unveiled a monumental stone complex near Lake Titicaca, codenamed Palaspata. This temple spans 410 to 476 feet, featuring 12 interconnected rooms around the central plaza. It remained hidden for centuries until high-resolution drone mapping exposed its spectacular layout, invisible to those on the ground, perfectly cancelled by Andean geography. The Tiwanaku civilization flourished from 400 to 1000 CE, just before the rise of the Incas. Their capital city near this region was famous for monolithic gateways and raised fields agriculture. Palaspata's architecture, its stonework, room arrangement, and scale strongly mirrors the grandeur of Tiwanaku ceremonial planning. Could this temple have been a regional outpost, a pilgrimage hub, or even a political center? Archaeologists uncovered signs of an advanced irrigation system, artistic pottery, grain processing facilities, evidence this was more than a religious site. Artifacts indicate trade between highland Tiwanaku and Amazonian lowland. Exotic ceramics hint at distant exchange network. Calculations: 20,000 inhabitants may have gathered here during festivals or rituals. So why was Palaspata forgotten for 1,000 years? The collapse of Tiwanaku around 1000 CE is still debated, maybe due to climate shift, drought, or internal collapse. Situated in a remote mountain valley, Palaspata faded from memory. Only modern archaeological tech, drones, LiDAR, 3D scanning could rediscover it. What secrets still lie buried? Who worshipped here? And why build such a temple so isolated? Experts highlight that Palaspata shifts our understanding of Tiwanaku society from a centralized capital to a network of major regional centers. Some of the quotes from the lead archaeologists paraphrase based on articles. This temple was both spiritual heart and economic engine. It alters our conception of Andean civilization. Comparisons from other civilizations like Angkok's remote temples or the hidden Maya ruins, they all tell the story of once great cultures lost to time. Palaspata has awakened, a temple frozen in time, now shining under modern light, but its halls still whisper unanswered questions. Who built it? Why hide such grandeur? And what other forgotten cities linger, waiting beneath the mountain fog? It's like if you believe in lost ancient temples. Subscribe for more secret history and log, and check the comments. What remote site should we explore next?